In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a domain in GoDaddy Domain Portfolio, get the authorization code, and transfer that domain into Squarespace. We're going to walk through the process from beginning to end in a simple, clear way so you can move your domain without confusion. This is useful if your domain is currently registered with GoDaddy and you want to manage it through Squarespace instead. Before you begin, make sure you can access both your GoDaddy account and your Squarespace dashboard because you'll need both during this transfer. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is where you can view and manage the domains connected to your account. Find the specific domain you want to transfer, then open its settings. In that area, look for the option to unlock the domain. Domains are usually locked by default as a security measure, so unlocking it is necessary before any transfer can begin. After the domain is unlocked, stay in the domain settings and request the authorization code, which is also sometimes called the auth code or EEPP code. This code works like a transfer key and confirms that you have permission to move the domain to another provider. Once the code is generated or sent to you, copy it carefully and keep it ready for the next step. It's important to use the exact code provided, since even a small mistake can cause the transfer to fail. Next, go to your Squarespace dashboard. From there, open Domains, then choose Transfer Domain. Enter the domain name you want to move, and when prompted, paste in the authorization code you got from GoDaddy. Take a moment to review what you entered so the domain name and code are both correct. This helps avoid delays and keeps the transfer process moving smoothly. Once that's done, continue through the checkout process in Squarespace and complete the transfer request. Even though this is a domain transfer, there may still be a checkout step to confirm the order and submit everything properly, so just follow the on-screen instructions until the request is finished. Finally, watch for the transfer request email from GoDaddy. You'll need to open that email and approve the transfer so it can move forward. This approval step is very important because without it, the transfer may remain pending or expire. After you approve it, the transfer will continue processing. And that's it. Your domain transfer has been submitted, and once it finishes processing, your domain will be managed through Squarespace.